Imagine waking up so hungry that you would eat almost anything. A green field stretches as far as you can see. Millions of blades of grass surround you, enough to feed thousands of animals. Yet if you start eating that grass, your body gains almost nothing. You would chew for minutes. Your jaw would get tired. Your stomach would fill. But you would slowly starve. Now look at a single grain of rice. It is tiny, lightweight, easy to overlook. Yet billions of people survive because of it. How can one small grain feed civilizations while endless fields of grass cannot feed a single human? The answer begins more than 500 million years ago. Back then, the first plants were spreading across Earth's land. They needed something strong to stand upright. So they built their walls from a material called cellulose. Cellulose is incredibly tough. It forms the framework of grass, leaves, and trees. Think of it as nature's concrete. It protects plants from damage. It also protects them from being eaten. Your teeth can tear grass apart, but breaking it into pieces is only the beginning. Inside your digestive system, another challenge appears. Your stomach uses acids. Your intestines use enzymes. These chemicals slice food into nutrients your body can absorb. Rice contains large amounts of starch. Starch is simply long chains of glucose. Humans produce an enzyme called amylase. Amylase easily cuts starch into sugar. Within minutes, your body begins turning rice into energy. Grass is completely different. Most of its energy is locked inside cellulose. Humans do not produce cellulase. Cellulase is the only enzyme that can unlock cellulose. Without it, the energy stays trapped forever. Your digestive system treats grass like cardboard. It passes through almost unchanged. So if humans cannot digest grass, why can cows live on it for their entire lives? The answer is astonishing. A cow is not digesting grass alone. It carries billions of microscopic helpers. Inside the cow's first stomach chamber lives an enormous community of bacteria, fungi, and other microbes. These microbes produce cellulase. They do the work humans cannot. They slowly break cellulose into smaller molecules. The cow then absorbs those nutrients as food. In other words, the cow feeds its microbes first, then the microbes feed the cow. Without those tiny organisms, cows would starve exactly as humans would. But evolution made another choice for our ancestors. Instead of developing huge fermentation stomachs, humans evolved something different: a larger brain. Brains consume enormous amounts of energy. Around 20% of your body's energy goes to your brain, even while resting. That required food rich in calories and easy to digest. Starchy seeds became perfect fuel. Wild grasses produced tiny seeds. Over thousands of years, humans selectively bred those plants. The seeds became larger, softer, more nutritious. Eventually, those grasses became rice, wheat, corn, barley, and many other crops that built civilizations. Here's the surprising twist: rice is actually a type of grass. The plant growing in a rice field belongs to the grass family. Humans are not eating the leaves, we are eating the seeds. Those seeds store energy as starch instead of cellulose. Nature packed them with fuel for the next generation of the plant. Humans simply learned to harvest that fuel first. Without rice and other cereal grains, cities might never have existed. Large populations would have been impossible to support. Empires may never have risen. The history of civilization depends on one incredible evolutionary shortcut. We never learned to digest grass. Instead, we learned to grow its seeds. The next time you see a bowl of rice beside a field of grass, remember this: they come from the same family. One feeds your stomach, the other feeds a cow. The difference is not the plant. The difference is evolution.